Hi, welcome to Take Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I wanted to introduce you to a program I've been using for many years. It's called Portable Apps. And what it is, it's a program that will let you install programs on an external device, like either a flash drive, any type of flash drive, hard drive, or even the cloud. And it will let you run programs. And when you run these programs, no footprints will be left on the host computer you're using. Everything will be left on the flash drive, the hard drive, or in the cloud. 5 years ago, I was very ill. I had to spend about 2 months at my mother's house. I needed someone to help take care of me while I was getting better. And I worked for a .com company. I've been working there for 8 years, and I still wanted to work even though I was ill. And all my programs and apps weren't on any of my laptops, so they're all stored on my desktop and my thumb drive, which is Portable Apps. So luckily, I had the Portable Apps thumb drive with me, and all I have to do is just plug it in the computer. All my programs, all my browser links, bookmarks, everything was all on the flash drive, and it could still work on her computer. And all the digital footprints, all the cookies, all the tracking information, everything was stored on the flash drive, so it had security. Nothing was installed on her computer, stored on her computer. All my browsing habits, banking, stock trades, all the stuff doing work for the .com company was all stored on the flash drive. So it's a great program that really saved me from not being able to work. And I just wanted to show you how this program works. So let's go and download this. So the portableapps.com. I'll put a link in the description where you can download this program from. So just go to download. Make sure you click the right download. There's Google. I have no idea why Google allows ads like this. I'll have all these downloads here. Download links, but it's not the correct link. Make sure you be careful when you download anything from the internet. You're downloading from the proper link. So here's the app here. So download it. It's going to start in 2 seconds. Save it. It's already installed, so we're not going to go through the installation. But it's a very fast install. And you have hundreds of apps. Here's some of the apps here. Text-to-speech, development apps. Educational apps, games, tons of games, all free. Pictures and graphics, you got editors for image editors. Internet, you have Firefox, Chrome, your email through your POP3 account, like if you have Thunderbird. I used Thunderbird. I use Firefox, and I use Thunderbird on a portable app as well. Got music, got Audacity, all kinds of music players and apps, all Office apps, all your Office apps, security apps. One here is Eraser Portable. I have that on my flash drive. It's for secure erasing hard drives or other media. So there's tons of programs, and they're all for free. So I'll show you this running. You can have it set to auto run. So as soon as you plug your flash drive in, it'll automatically start, and you'll see all the programs installed on the flash drive. Now these are programs installed on the flash drive. So you can't have two browsers running at the same time. So I'm going to fire up Firefox on the flash drive for the portable app, but I have to close up this one first because you can't have two running at the same time. So I got a link here, bookmarked, for YouTube. So you can have all your bookmarks for your banking, your email, your Instagram, whatever accounts you have, all stored on your portal app version of Firefox or Chrome, whatever your browser you're using. And once again, like I said, all your digital footprints are stored on the flash drive. Nothing is stored on the host computer you're using. So it works really good if you're at a relative's house taking a vacation. You don't have your laptop with you. All you have to bring is a flash drive. So you have to carry with you, just a flash drive. If you're ever in the hospital using a public computer, instead of using the computer accessing your banking information and your email, all you do is you plug the flash drive in a USB port and you're off and running. Some other apps on here. I don't have my actual thumb drive I used for my work. So there's confidential links on there. I can't release that. I can't let anybody see that stuff. It's confidential. And so here's Audacity. You can run Audacity and do your recordings. And it's all stored in a flash drive. Crystal Disk Info is another good program for checking the health status of your hard drives. So I just wanted to pass along to you this tip that I've been on this program I've been using for many years, and it saved my bacon when I was sick there for 5 years ago. It really helped me out a lot. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. New videos every Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. Monday is Movie Studio Monday, where I devote tutorials to people running movie studio. Tuesday is Vegas Pro, and Friday is everything to do with technology. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.